Looking for the ultimate gaming PC case that combines performance, style, and functionality? Look no further than the Segotep T1 Full Tower E-ATX gaming PC case. This powerhouse of a case boasts a plethora of features designed to take your gaming rig to the next level. One of the standout features of the Segotep T1 is its vertical GPU mounting capability. This allows users to securely mount their graphics card vertically inside the case, providing a unique and eye-catching aesthetic while also eliminating concerns about deformation. Plus, with support for GPUs up to 345mm in length, you'll have plenty of options for your dream graphics setup. But the Segotep T1 isn't just about looks. Its spacious open interior can accommodate up to an E-ATX motherboard and a 360mm water cooling radiator in either the front or rear, ensuring optimal cooling performance for even the most demanding gaming sessions. With support for up to 7 PC case fans, airflow is maximized to keep your components running cool under pressure. The tempered glass side panel not only showcases your RGB components in all their glory but also adds a touch of elegance to your setup. Meanwhile, the dust-proof design, featuring pull-out dust filters and a magnetic dust-proof net on the front panel, helps keep your system clean and running smoothly. And let's not forget about cable management. The Segotep T1 makes it easy to keep your cables organized and out of sight, thanks to the I/O port storage box on the top and Velcro straps on the back of the mainboard and rear window. In summary, the Segotep T1 Full Tower E-ATX gaming PC case is a top contender for anyone looking to build the ultimate gaming rig. With its combination of performance, style, and functionality, it's sure to impress even the most discerning gamers. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.